Hey everyone, this is Navela. Happy New Year, and today I'm going to talk to you about a product that I've been trying out for the last 2 months. I love oiling my hair, and I will oil my hair every other day. And if I can't do it every day, I will do it. It's therapeutic. As you can see, my hair is quite short now, and I've been posting my old pictures with really long hair, and I had dark, long, thick hair, but I had to chop a lot of it down because of the bleaching process. It was damaged, or I just had to chop it off. So yeah, now this year I dedicated to grow my hair longer, stronger, healthier, because what's the point of having longer hair if it's not healthy, right? I cannot stand long hair that are flimsy and they don't look healthy. So it's super important that hair looks healthy when it's long. So don't be afraid to trim it, even if it's the length of your dream. But if it does not look healthy, just go ahead and trim it. It's gonna grow back. Anyways, that's a total different topic. The product that I've been trying out for the last 2 months, and few of you guys DM'd me this product and suggested that I gave this a try, and it is no other than the Gia Nasim hair oil. Apparently this is called like the miracle oil for hair growth, and I kid you not, I was pretty much hesitating on purchasing it when I went to the website, because it was not like super fancy, not celebrity endorsed. It got me a little bit hesitant before purchasing, but at the same time I was just like, this could be really genuine, because basic as it is, if a product works, you don't need all that fancy website or whatnot, okay? And so I went ahead and purchased my first bottle. So the first order that I did was the hair oil, and it's a 500 ml hair oil. And also I went ahead and bought the shampoo and conditioner that was suggested. I haven't tried the shampoo and the conditioner yet, only because I want to try the oil by itself so that I know whether the oil will work without the shampoo and conditioner. And I finished the whole bottle. I just have a little bit left, which I'm going to be using in a bit. And my hair did grow. Like, you guys can see my roots coming out faster, and this is how I can actually measure whether my hair is growing or not. It's through my roots. I have a little bit of product on my hair from last night, but I barely have split ends, and I cut my hair 2 months ago. So far, using it, I loved it, and the fact that it did not turn my hair brassy, it's like plus point, because when you apply oil in blonde hair, you're always scared that it might turn brassy. Like right now, I haven't washed my hair and I did not do any toner, but it's not brassy at all. Let me get into how I apply this oil. I went ahead on Amazon and I bought this oil comb. It comes in a pack of 2 on Amazon, and I'll put the link in my description. And this oil comb thing, basically I've been using it forever. Like, I am a hair oil addict. Gia and I spoke, and she actually suggested that I heat the oil before applying because it works better and you use less oil in your application. So what I did was poured some oil in here and heat it up. It's quite warm right now. And now I'm going to show you how I usually do my hair. Okay, so I always brush my hair first, just so that there is no tangle and it's a lot easier to apply. And I use a white tooth comb. You get that from Amazon as well. So I'm just gonna comb out my hair. My hair is dirty right now, so let's not mind that. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna part my hair in the middle. So you can already see how much it has grown. I mean, my hair grew this much in 2 months. Like this much in 2 months. And then, so this is my second bottle. I put some of it in here, and I have a third bottle coming in. And I can't wait. I'm just gonna oil my hair now and show you how I do it. I just press it and put it in my hair like that. And then take another section. And then whatever you have left in your hair, just trim the back of your hair here. Do it at least 3 times a week. If you can do it more than 3 times a week, that's amazing. But I'm telling you, this thing works. I could already see my hair growing faster than usual. And I am not taking any other supplements like biotin or anything else to grow my hair at the moment, because I really want to see how this oil works. But if you do add biotin to your supplements, then it will definitely work a lot faster. I'm gonna keep it for 2 hours. Wash it off and do this for the rest of my year and see how beautiful my hair turns out to be by the end of the year. I'm setting up realistic goals. I know for a fact that my hair is not going to be 6-inch longer like in 2 months, but I want it to grow nice and healthy. If you guys want me to do other videos, let me know what kind, and I will definitely give it a try. Thank you. See you soon, guys.